Hey everyone, welcome back to MS Extra Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Facebook Messenger ringtone. Just watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. So friends, first open Facebook Messenger application on your mobile. Now tap on three-line menu at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Settings option. After that, you can see an interface like this. Now scroll down and select Notifications and Sounds option and tap on it. Now scroll down and select Ringtone option and tap on it. After that, you can see an interface like this. Here it is Messenger default ringtone. From here you can choose any ringtone you like and set it for your Messenger. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.